Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm Ken, and today we're excited to guide you through a very important English speaking lesson.
And I'm Evelyn. In today's lesson, we're focusing on a skill that helps you speak more naturally, more confidently, and more comfortably in everyday situations.
Today's topic is 50 practical small talk phrases for real English conversations. These are phrases that real people use every day when talking with friends, classmates, co-workers, neighbors, or even people they meet for the first time.
Many English learners feel nervous when starting a conversation or continuing one. They often know grammar and vocabulary, but they don't know what to say next.
That's exactly where small talk helps. Small talk is short, friendly conversation about everyday topics. It helps you connect with people and makes communication feel natural and relaxed.
Small talk is not about saying something perfect. It's about showing interest, being polite, and keeping the conversation going.
In this lesson, you will learn 50 practical phrases that you can use immediately. You'll also learn how to pronounce them clearly, when to use them, and how to practice them effectively.
Make sure to listen carefully, repeat out loud, and pause the video whenever you need more time. Speaking practice is the key to improvement.
Let's begin with the first group of phrases.
Opening a conversation is often the hardest part for English learners. You may wonder how to start speaking without feeling uncomfortable.
The good news is that English has many simple and friendly ways to begin a conversation. These phrases are useful in many daily situations.
When opening a conversation, your voice should sound relaxed and friendly. Speak clearly and don't rush. After you greet someone, asking about their day or weekend is a great way to continue the conversation. Yes, it shows you care and gives the person a chance to share something about themselves. How was your day? How was your day? Did you have a good weekend? Did you have a good weekend? What did you do today? What did you do today? Did anything interesting happen today? Did anything interesting happen today? How's your week going so far? How's your week going so far? Did you try anything new this week? Did you try anything new this week? How's everything at work or school? How's everything at work, school? How was your day off? How was your day off? What was the best part of your day? What was the best part of your day? Did you do anything fun today? Did you do anything fun today? Notice how these questions are open-ended. Instead of yes/no answers, they encourage longer replies, making conversation flow naturally.
Weather is an easy, universal topic. Almost everyone can talk about it.
Yes, it's also safe. You won't offend anyone and is perfect for beginners. Nice weather today, isn't it? Nice weather today, isn't it? It's really sunny, cloudy, rainy today. It's really sunny, cloudy, rainy today. Isn't it a bit cold or hot today? Isn't it a bit cold or hot today? The weather's perfect for an activity. The weather's perfect for an activity. I love this kind of weather. I love this kind of weather. Looks like it might rain later. Looks like it might rain later. It's so windy today. It's so windy today. The sun is shining so nicely. The sun is shining so nicely. I can't believe how hot or cold it is. I can't believe how hot or cold it is. Perfect weather for staying indoors or going out. Perfect weather for staying indoors or going out. Talking about the weather may seem small, but it opens doors to other topics. For example, yes, it's hot. I might go swimming later. How about you?
Finally, let's see how to respond naturally to someone asking about you. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you? I'm do-ing well, thanks. How about you? Not too bad, thanks for asking. Not too bad, thanks for asking. I had a great day. What about yours? I had a great day. What about yours? I'm a little tired, but it's been good. I'm a little tired, but it's been good. I'm okay, just busy with work or school. I'm okay, just busy with work or school. I've been really good, thank you. I've been really good, thank you. Same as usual. How about you? Same as usual. How about you? Pretty good. How's your day going? Pretty good. How's your day going? I'm fine, thanks. Did you do anything fun today? I'm fine, thanks. Did you do anything fun today? Everything's going well. How about your week? Everything's going well. How about your week?
Responding naturally helps the conversation flow smoothly and keeps people engaged.
Use open-ended questions. These encourage longer answers. Add follow-up questions like, "Really? Tell me more." Adjust your tone depending on the situation, casual versus formal. Use gestures and smiles to sound friendly.
Pause slightly before responding. It makes your English clear and confident. Match your conversation style to the person you're talking to.
Now, let's practice together. Repeat after me. Hi, how's it going? Hi, how's it going? What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time? Nice weather today, isn't it? Nice weather today, isn't it?
Shadowing means listening and speaking at the same time. Do this every day. Your English will sound natural in no time.
Today, we covered 50 small talk phrases to help you speak naturally and confidently.
Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using 1 or 2 phrases every day, and soon small talk will feel easy and fun.
Which phrases were your favorite? Comment below and share your thoughts.
Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.